you're all doing great, and I hope you're still safe, guys. Today I'm going to show you how I celebrated my 7th birthday. Hope you enjoy watching. Bye! Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys. Enjoy watching the video.
You stay there and you don't you blow your cake. Don't ka. Stay right there.
Look at my cake. Look at my classic cake. I want a cake. I want a balloon.
You make a wish first, baby.
Both of us.
Yay! Yeah. What? What did you say?
I'm not going to tell
Okay. What was your dream, your wish kaya?
Mommy, I want a balloon.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Itabi niyo muna yan. Lagyan niyo sa table yung mga things niyo. Ken, lagyan mo muna. Galingan mo ah. Oh, what did you get, baby? Wow! Ready, get set,
Go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Happy Ma.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Happy Max.
Blow. Make a wish first. Close your eyes. Harry first.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick that one.
Eh, yun ang nauna siya, babe. That's why you had rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
It's okay, you have 4, oh. You're still...
And I want to do that.
Come on.
It's just another one. Kasi di ba, there's another chance, di ba?
Come on, baby.
You get
Come on.
You choose another one kasi there are a lot of choices here.
Oh, what if wala pala doon? Oh. Wala pala dyan.
You choose one lang.
You have to choose another one, Ken. That's the rule of the game.
Yeah, kasi na...
Oh, over there. Yan na lang sa'yo? Okay. Ready?
Ready? Oh, tingnan natin.
Let's open Ates first.
Ate. Cup. Ready, set, go!
Oh! You're crying over nothing.
Yeah, how about this? This is the lucky cup.
Oh! See? You were crying over nothing.
I thought it was there.
Okay.
Oh, shit. How about?
Crying.
No crying.
No
Okay.
crying. The gift.
Oh no!
Okay, another round.
Another round.
Okay.
Another round.
What?
You're judging me.
Not judging.
You're judging what I'm doing. You're judging what I'm doing. Sana pala you're judging mo ako eh. And that's what I did yan.
Oh, kaya nga na. Bawi.
Anak, you listen to the instruction. Kung ang instruction ng pataasan, you should concentrate on making it higher.
Oo.
Okay?
Okay. Bakit Ken, ikaw may dalang natira? No!
Ready? Are you ready, guys?
Yeah. One, two.
Ate, two.
One, two. One, two. One, two. One, two. Okay, let's close our eyes. There is the gift, surprise gift.
Open!
Wow! Surprise, Belle! Show it to Rapunzel! Show it to Rapunzel!
Okay.
What? Wow! Can you open it? Can you open it? Please! Yeah. Can you open it, Mom?
Wait lang, nasa yung ano, In the playroom, there are, I think there's just one surprise egg here.
Whatever, that's not even a clue. Nothing? Anything?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maxine. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 7th birthday, Maxine. See you soon. Happy 7th birthday, Maxine. We love you.
Happy 7th birthday, Maxine. Always be a good girl. We miss you and we love you so much. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Maxine! We love you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Max. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Maxine! Happy birthday, baby ko! I love you! Happy birthday, Maxine! Happy birthday, Maxine! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Maxine! I love you, baby! Miss you, baby!